Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a pink halo makeup tutorial. So the first thing I done was I applied some tape to underneath my eyes because it makes the eyeshadow stand out more, and then I used this Revolution palette which has 188 shades I think, and I used this pink shade and applied it all over the crease. I then went back in with the Revolution palette and used like coral orange shade and another pink and blended it in through the outer corner and into the inner corner. I then used the Revolution eye primer and I applied it into like the middle of my eyelid, which is where the glitter will then go on later on. And then I just blended it out. I then took the Revolution #Revaholic Eyes palette and I used a pink shimmery shade and applied it to where I put the eye primer. I then took the pink shade and blended it into the glitter because it makes it not look as bold and doesn't look as weird. So it just all blends together, and then I done the exact same on the other eye. I then moved on to my face makeup. So the first thing I took was the MUA Pro Base like green colour corrector and I applied it to any redness I had on my skin. And then I blended that out with a Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, I think that's what it's called, correct me if I'm wrong. I then took the L'Oreal True Match foundation and I applied that to my skin and blended it out with the same beauty blender again. I then took the Collection Lost Imperfection concealer in the shade Fair 1 and I applied it underneath my eyes and on any spots I had. I then took the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and just applied that all over where I put my foundation and concealer, which makes it not as like cakey. And then I took my absolute favourite, the Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and applied it to like, I don't know what it's called, like your contour line, I think that's what it's called, I don't actually know, and onto my nose and forehead. I then took this Ted Baker blusher, which is so gorgeous and it's like one of my favourites, and I applied it to the apples of my cheeks just to give me a little bit of colour. And then my absolute favourite thing, the Sleek highlighter in Solstice, and I took the pink shade, which is actually like, oh my god, I can't even tell you how much I love it. And then I took the Sleek eyebrow kit and my eyelash curlers and curled my eyelashes. And then I used the Too Faced Size Queen mascara I then took the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss and applied that onto my lips, and then this is the finished makeup look. It's definitely one of my favourites and I highly recommend you try it out because it's so gorgeous.